Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover 5, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. And to get started, just pull down the notification panel and expand it where you will find the power key button. Once you select it, you'll see a couple different boot options, so you want to hold power off. When you hold it, it will change into safe mode, so now all you need to do is click on it once more, and this will initiate reboot into safe mode. And as you can see, now the device is back on. Let's put our pin in. And from here, you can see, there we go. You can see that we do have a safe mode watermark right at the bottom right here, just so we are aware that the device is in this mode. And that is because in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will function. Everything else will be basically disabled. So widgets don't work, as you can see. Anyway, that is how you would boot into it. And to leave this mode, all you want to do is go back to the boot options. So let's pull on the notification panel, tap on the power key, and this time around you can simply tap on restart. And once the device boots back up, it will be back in normal mode. And there we go. So you can see that it's now back in normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.